Okay, I just did some post work. I'm going to see if this works, and I actually added some manual start chip transport, like chip conveyor on and off. See if I can automate this. I also wanted to get in my setup sheet stick out length, so I'm going to attempt that with comment. Manual NC comment. Stick out equals 2.750. Hit OK. I'm going to put that in the beginning before everything. Alright, I'm going to host the code, and I didn't update the sequence number thing. Save. Did I get the same error again? Hang on. G1 post, save. And I got the same parts catcher is not defined. But I just turned it on. Let me go into the parting tool. Shut off parts catcher, hit OK. Post the code again, hit post, save. I got a program this time. I got the comments stick out length, and I'm getting the chip conveyor on. Oh goody, M31. Good. Okay, and at the end, and I have an M33 right before the last tool to shut the chip conveyor off, even though you wouldn't really need to. And let me check my drilling heights. 975. Yeah, I get this weird 975. It goes to 175 and 975 and 175. So I don't know what's going on there. All the rest of it looked pretty good. All right. Why isn't the parts catcher not working? Let's see. If I go into my CPS file here, I'm going to open the editor, and I'm going to look for find parts right there. Part catcher on, return format 36. So I'm looking at the other ones down here. This says start chip transport right there, and return M format 31. So that should put in the code for parts catcher 36. All right. Same thing here. Use coolant on 83. No, that's coolant air on. Flood coolant on 8, coolant flood off 9. So is it because why isn't it spitting it out? Yeah, oh maybe, look at this one, I got tailstock on. Did I turn that on by accident when I was editing these? Tailstock on, I don't have C-axis, polar, stop live tool, main, spindle. I'm going to file save while I'm at it. And edit, find sequence. Show sequence numbers. I think I saw it somewhere where you could switch it for tools only. Right. Don't know that one. Start sequence numbers percentage, and we have right comment. This is our machine. STC house is ST10 CSC label. I had that on the top, and I wasn't able to add the tool list. But everything else is there. Primary spindle. On command start chip transport. So, chip, right? Get chip transport here. I get 9 instances. Start chip transport. Chip breaking, chip breaking, chip breaking. And okay, so if I put in what's that thing? Parts catcher. Parts. Alright, current section. Parts catcher. Engage parts catcher true. Alright, parts. You get 12 instances of part, right? Engage part catcher. Function. Alright. Function engage part catcher engage. If engage / catch part here. Alright, maybe that slashes have to be taken out. Alright. Parts catcher on, parts catcher off. And parts catcher. Okay, I'm gonna try it, so let me upload this. Upload. Select file, new one, close, parting tool, edit, part catcher on, and post. Hit save. Oh, it came on this time. I only have one selected. I only had. Okay, let me post the whole thing. Okay, I guess I made a mistake when I was editing, and I had the tool tailstock exposed, and now we got pretty good here. All right, parts catcher. Where does this come on here? Oh, it turns on right before the wrap. Well, that works. That works. And it's got the comment, part catcher on, part catcher off. Excellent. Excellent. I got to figure out this drill cycle thing. All right. Drill, wrap it in, wrap it out. All right. I'm using, let me look at the code here. One inch from model front, so that was 1, and that's like 200,000th minus the, what if it's got something to do with the safe distance? All right, drill 1, heights, model top retract, model top retract, feed height. These are all the same. Top height is and bottom height. So top height. All right. And drilling wrap it out. What can affect that? Let's go to the setup. Edit setup. So this safe zone. See if I can understand this better. Set the offset distance in relation to reference position defined above. Can be from work, coordinate, system, origin, stock front, or stock back. Let's go with work coordinate system. I'm going to make it a hard number, 0.2. hit OK. Regenerate. All right. Post the code. It worked. Go to the end, and let's look at our heights. Still goofy on the heights. 975, 175, 975, 175, R of 175. It's like zigzagging. Drill wrap it out. Edit. Heights and drill cycle. That's no settings there. Model top, bottom height to chamfer width. What do I just do? I don't think it's that at all. Feed height from retract type. That's the 175 because I got it shifted by 25. I think it's chamfer width because it's happening on the peck drilling cycle, and that's not anything to do with chamfer width. Okay, I'm going to have to take this up tomorrow and see where it is. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.